What's up, Press Start family? It's your boy, MrManyfaces, also known as Zach with an H or Nunu. And I'm pretty excited here. We got ourselves an Xbox Series X. I managed to get one of the last ones that was available for pickup today. So I'm super excited about it. Poor Juan, he has to wait to get his, so he asked if I would kindly do an unboxing video for you folks. Even though I don't have the setup, hopefully it's going to be good enough to get you guys going, get you guys hyped up about it as much as I am. So, but before we get to it, why don't you go ahead, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know, what are your thoughts on the Series X versus the Series S? If, you're more excited about the PS5. Let's get a little friendly argumentation going on here. But let's get to it.
And here we are, the Xbox Series X. Beautiful packaging with a nice view of the top or the side of the product, depending on how you set it, I suppose. We'll get into that later. We have a nice dimensional view of our product inside. And over on the side is more of a flat view, but it's still nice to see the scales. Over on this other side, we have a listing of features like 4K gaming at 120 frames per second, up to 8K high dynamic range, Xbox Velocity architecture, 1TB solid state drive, variable refresh rate, and a 4K Blu-ray player. You'll notice on the sides here there are pieces of sticky tape that are keeping it together. Keep that in mind for later with the unboxing. On the back here we have our Master Chief along with information like the fastest, most powerful Xbox ever, redefined speed with the Xbox Velocity architecture, play thousands of games across 4 generations of Xbox, and unlimited access to 100 plus high quality games. On the bottom there's 2 more pieces of tape, and in order to get into the product we're going to have to carefully remove them. And this is where we don't forget the ones on the side as well. And you'll want to lay it back down into the position that we had at the beginning of the video in order to open up your product correctly and not break it. And the reveal is quite beautiful. We're going to power our dreams as we open up this Xbox Series X. Carefully remove the product from inside. I was actually quite surprised at how small it was or condensed it was, but it's actually kind of refreshing. Inside we have a card here. The back shows you how to load batteries into a controller and to synchronize to your system, and on the front here it's actually a description of how to set up your Xbox through the Xbox app. So if you don't have the app yet, I suggest you download it from your phone store. We open up this small compartment to find some essential accessories to the gaming system, such as the controller. Controller does come with batteries. Not much has changed with this controller. We still have the change view and the menu button, but now we also have a share button. As far as the actual controller itself, there is texturized grip now on the handles and on the triggers and buttons. We have our power cord, which is similar to other power cords in the past, and the HDMI cord. And even though nobody will really read it, it's the product and regulatory guide hiding in there as well. So let's slowly peel away at this, and the actual reveal of our product is quite beautiful. Now, as you can see, it doesn't seem to be quite as bulky as the commercials may have it appear, but it is not too much wider than your Xbox One. We have a circular grip for if you want to stand it straight up like it's been shown in the commercials, or if you wish to keep your disk drive flat, there are options to lay it down. And out of curiosity, I wanted to see if my Xbox One controller battery would fit into this one without any sort of difficulty. So, forgive the shaky camera, but the good news is that the internal of the controller is actually almost identical, other than various stickering, and the battery fit in quite nicely. And did it work? Absolutely. So here I wanted to test the powering up of the system. For some reason I was under the impression that the vent system up top there would glow green, but it's actually just a light green paint on the interior. So slight disappointment there, but overall it starts up similar to the Xbox One, very quiet. And there we have it, the Xbox Series X. Beautiful gaming system. So excited to see what everything's going to be like. Speaking of likes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. And we will leave you with the Xbox Series X startup. Hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching.